Now this is silver. That's the daily scale of silver priced in US dollars. Silver suffered a blow here, but withstood the selling wave and came back. When we analyze silver, of course, we never do it without looking at what happened in gold, and gold is sending even more reassuring signals that everything is fine with a bull, that all the fluctuations that we have seen recently, they are part of the consolidation phase in an up move, and that is a healthy thing. We are building the base for sending the precious metals higher. The best wave count that I think would apply in the case of silver right now would be to take this as 1, 2, and that's a 3, and that's a 4. I think it's a fourth wave. It seems to me like it's morphing into a fourth wave right here. We'll see the 60 minutes in a sec. There is an outside chance that that is a 1-2, and that could be a 1-2. Okay, I'm not running with this idea, although it looks actually quite a sensible idea in quite a few gold stocks. We'll see one of them later in this video, and some interpretations even concerning the metal itself, gold. There could be a situation of a 1-2, but in the case of silver, it doesn't look to me very much the right interpretation. I'm going to show you here the 60 minutes. And of course, Mr. Market might make me, yes, change my opinion, and I will not resist. It's not a good idea to resist when Mr. Market has a good hint and a good suggestion. Okay, so that is where I'm going with this fourth wave idea, you see. A, B, C, or the third wave might have ended here. It's not going to make a huge difference. You have your A, B, C like that. In short, that's going to be your A. That's going to be your B, C, D. That means, sorry, that means a bit more work here. Yeah, a bit more work. It should stay in a tight range. This is evidently a critical level for you to watch. That's 15.89, 15.9. Okay, that's very important. Breaking under that doesn't mean we are going into a huge bear market, but it will inevitably call for reassessment of the wave count. It is possible that the fourth wave might not be such a quick affair, meaning that that is okay as an A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, fine. This is okay as an idea, and we will need to see the jump fairly soon. But do not be discouraged if you get something like that. I'm going to show you if you end up having something like that, and we're going to have to see it looking at silver going sideways for another week. No, this is not discouraging. This is just prolongation of the correction, which basically sends the message that things are okay, they're on track, the bull is in command. We just need more time to consolidate, but the main move and the main trend is up. Yes, so remember that. Any sideways price action here that you see, even if it drags on for 1 week, even 2 weeks, don't get discouraged. This means we are going higher. I don't think we're going to have to wait 2 weeks. I'd be surprised. I think it's going to move much quicker than that. Okay, so overall, very positive reading for silver, and I'm looking for silver to scale higher highs in the weeks to come. Now, this is gold. That's the daily. Gold went down on the Fed's announcement and came back even faster. And this is a very bullish reading. What you see here, that this is taken as an ABC, meaning that is the ABC is a counter trend move. Yes, this is a major and basic concept of the Elliott wave principle. ABC is a counter trend move, meaning that if you see an ABC, for example, here, and we read it right, that means the main move is not down. The main move is up. Yes, it's a counter trend move. So that seems to me to raise the prospects of potentially taking this as 1, this is 2, and we are going potentially a lot higher. The run up here in gold was absolutely spectacular and was very reassuring as far as I can see. was very reassuring as to anyone who had second thoughts about the bull still in command, etc. That is the breakdown of the entire set of the price action with a B, C, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are done with a fifth leg, and it's running up. It's very possible that that will be wave 1. Now, also in the case of gold, do not be discouraged if gold suddenly drifts sideways, okay, and it looks like it's lost, going nowhere. No, do not be discouraged. This is good news long term. Short term, if you are very hectic trader, you might be, of course, discouraged if you go long here expecting it to run higher and suddenly it gives you a swing down by $20. Of course, it's short term, it will be discouraging, but overall the tenor of price action that will form tiny ABCs here, the tenor will be positive, very positive as far as the bull is concerned. Okay, so very short term, if we see further correction around here and then blast come Monday, Tuesday, yes, Monday, late Monday, Tuesday, we see it running through 1450. Take it that this is most likely 1, 2, and we're going up in a third wave. It could be a very strong sustainable move.